Let's consider this problem here. We're being asked to differentiate the following with respect to x. And we can see we have u equals the fifth root of 1 divided by x, where x is raised to the power 8. Let's move this to one side, and now let me remind you of the following rule. It says the nth root of x is equal to x raised to the 1 on top of the n, where n is the root that you saw here. Now we can write this as follows. U equals the fifth root, and within the root we've got 1 over x to the power 8. Now we can write this as equals to, and in brackets I'm going to put what's in the root, which is x to the power 8. Close the brackets and raise this to the power of 1/5. Now consider the following. This is where we have 1 over x to the n. That can be written as x to the minus n. So it was positive here, the n, and when we brought it to this position, we can see we changed the sign to negative. So I'm going to use this to work on this. So I can write this as follows. I can bring the x to the top and change the 8 to minus 8. This still stays in the brackets, and of course I raise that to the 1/5. We can continue by writing this out as x to the minus 8 multiplied by 1/5. That then can be put down as x to the minus 8 divided by 5. This calculation comes from the fact that if you have, as you do here, within the brackets an index and outside you have it raised to another power, then the minus 8, as it is in this case, can be multiplied by this 1/5. This is something else you need to have knowledge of from work on indices. And of course, when I have minus 8 times 1/5 here, that is minus 8 over 5. We started off with u equals the fifth root of 1 divided by x to the power 8. And we found we can write this as x to the minus 8 divided by 5. We can now move forward with this power rule here. So we can say du dx is going to be equal to, well, we're going to bring this power down, the minus 8 over the 5, and we're going to multiply the x by that, and from the minus 8 over 5, we're going to subtract 1. Carrying on, we can say that this is going to be equal to minus 8 over 5, multiplying the x, where we have minus 13 divided by 5, because the minus 8 over 5 minus 1 will give you minus 13 over 5. So when we differentiate this, this is the result we will get. Now it is possible for me to express this result differently. In other words, I can start putting roots back in, radicals back in, and I'll show you that in the next video.